Join ForumIAS Academy, trusted by hundreds of toppers, including IAS Rank 1 Shruti Sharma.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepika and I welcome you all to ForumIAS. In this video, we will know about World Health Organization or WHO. WHO was established on 7th April in 1948. So the World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April every year. WHO is a United Nations agency. It connects nations, partners and people to promote health, keep the world safe and serve the vulnerable. WHO have 194 member states. The member states of WHO are grouped into 6 regions: Africa, Americas, Southeast Asia, Europe, Eastern Mediterranean and Western Pacific. The World Health Assembly is WHO's highest level decision-making forum. It is headquartered in Geneva. The constitution of WHO was adopted by the International Health Conference in 1946 in New York. The WHO Constitution defines health as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. The Triple Billion Targets are an initiative of WHO to improve the health of billions by 2023. They are the foundation of WHO's 13th General Program of Work. The GPW13 defines WHO's strategy for the 5-year period from 2019 to 2023. It focuses on to achieve measurable impacts on people's health at country level. The Triple Billion Target are to ensure by 2023, 1 billion more people are benefiting from universal health coverage, 1 billion more people are better protected from health emergencies, 1 billion more people are enjoying better health and well-being. Measurable impact is at the heart of WHO's mission to transform the future of the public health. WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine is located in Jamnagar, Gujarat. This aims to harness the potential of traditional medicine from across the world through modern science and technology to improve health of the people and the planet. Other offices of WHO are WHO Hub for Pandemic and Epidemic Intelligence located in Berlin, Germany, WHO's office at the United Nations in New York, WHO Center for Health Development in Kobe, Japan, WHO Academy in Lyon, France, Global Service Center in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, WHO Budapest Center in Hungary. So this was about WHO. I hope you liked the video and if you did, then please press the like button, share the video and subscribe to ForumIAS. Thanks for watching.